Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this channel is more like of a vlog style kind of channel where I just do my own thing. If you're coming from my other channel, which is a tutorial channel where I teach baking and decorating, then thanks for joining me. This video I have been wanting to make for a while because it's basically an Aldi haul. So before moving to Pittsburgh, I used to shop in H-E-B, and they have very, very low prices at H-E-B. They have great stuff. Like, that's probably one of the things that I've missed the most about not being in Texas is H-E-B, because they have products that they don't have anywhere else. But when we first got here, my goal was to find a grocery store that was a little bit more affordable, because the grocery store that is here, I think, is called either Giant Eagle or Market District, and it's a little bit pricey. It's pricier at least than back in Texas and even like in H-E-B. So the first time that I shopped there, I spent about $140 at Market District, and I was like, oh no ma'am, this cannot go on. I cannot be spending this amount of money every single week. So when I came out of the store, because last year I used to walk to the grocery store. So when I came out, I saw an Aldi. I had seen an Aldi in Houston, but I thought it was like a CVS. Had never gone in. And I don't know how many people remember this, but when I first went and I had to put in the little quarter, it reminded me of Auchan. Is that what it was pronounced? Back in the day in Houston, like, I think it was like by 610 or something. You had to put in a quarter, and then you took your card. Then you had to put your card back to get your quarter back. Anyway, long story short, I've been raving and talking about Aldi to my family for so long. People ask me, what do you buy there? So today I am showing you my Aldi haul with receipts. And kind of like, this is kind of what I get on a weekly basis. Sometimes it changes, but here's my Aldi haul. Okay, so I've been meaning to record this video for a long time to show you exactly what I get every time I go into Aldi, or most of these things I get every time I go. Some of them I only get every other 2 weeks, but I'm going to start with the produce. So I have here baby carrots, some jalapenos. I got 2 things of green beans because recently, as I've started doing meal prep for me and my husband, I've liked to make these green beans with eggs and some kind of ham or other types of meat like sausage. And then I also have tomatoes here, broccoli. I have bananas, a thing of sweet onions, and I don't know if I mentioned this before, but sweet onions actually don't make me cry when I cut them, so that's why I get sweet onions. And I have 4 mangoes. Now, the thing with some of the produce like mangoes, strawberries, blueberries is that sometimes when you go in, they're too expensive, or sometimes they'll have them on sale. So this week the mangoes were 59 cents each. Sometimes they're $1.50 each. So Aldi is one of those stores where you kind of have to go and see what's a better price that week. But regardless, most of the time their prices are better than the majority of grocery stores. So I also have this little thing of chopped salad. I rarely get these because these are usually either $3.75 or like between $2.99 and $3.75, but today they were $1.99, so I got one of those. I also got one of these things of coleslaw, which is a weekly buy for me because I usually make the coleslaw with ground beef. And then moving on, another tip or thing that I recommend is that when you find that certain berries or fruits are too expensive to buy raw, I usually get them frozen. So for example, the strawberries, the natural strawberries were, I think, $3.75 today, and the frozen strawberries were, let's see, $1.89 for the same amount. So I just got them frozen, and the first time that I bought these, I thought they were going to be, I don't know, I thought they were going to be a little bit more processed or not like the real fruit, but I recently tried the frozen blueberries, and they're actually very good. So this week I'm trying the strawberries. Let's see. Another weekly buy or something that I buy often is hummus. This is our favorite flavor, which is the roasted red pepper. I also have trail mix and then just dry roasted peanuts. I find that in these there's just too many chocolates. It's more chocolate and sweet than it is peanuts or nuts, so we mix it with this right here. Let's see what else. For dairy, we have this giant thing of milk, and I have noticed that the milk has gotten a little bit more expensive than it was last year, but I usually get either just regular 1% or 2% milk or almond milk. I have 3 dozen eggs. These were $1.23 this week, but sometimes you can find them as low as 49 cents or 99 cents. Let's see what we have here. I also got a thing of these little cheese, like string cheese things, and what my plan is for this week, since we've started meal prepping, is I want to put a little bit of the hummus with these carrots and a cheese stick. So let me know if you guys want to see a meal prep video of what we're going to eat this week or maybe next week, or how I meal prep this stuff. Let me know in the comments below. Let's see, this week I didn't get bread. I'm trying to get away from buying bread because I found a really easy recipe on how to make a 3-ingredient bread, and I want to try it out. But I got these protein wraps. These are red pepper hummus, but they also have just no flavor, or just like the original flavor. And these I just started using last week, and I really like them. So this is a new flavor, and hopefully it's good, but I definitely recommend these. They're pretty tasty. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh, over here I actually missed the jasmine rice. So a few years ago I actually discovered jasmine rice, but in the little I think it's like a 1-minute pouch, or like the ones where you put in for 90 seconds. But obviously it's cheaper and better for you to make your own. So I do just buy this big bag, and I think it was like $5. What else is over here? Some of these things, like these things that I have here on the side, I actually got because I'm doing a live video on my other channel, so my tutorial channel, which is @Very Cherry Cakes, and I bought some of these ingredients. So I have unsalted butter, cream cheese. These are 79 cents at Aldi. I think the cheapest you can find is maybe like $1 or like 89 cents somewhere else. But let's see, what else do we have here? I have confectioner's sugar, and I have flour and regular sugar back there. And for my other addition to my little dessert is this cherry pie filling. I was actually trying to find strawberry filling, but they didn't have any this week, so I went with the cherry because it's like a Valentine's inspired dessert. So I thought, why not go red? So this I also got as, this isn't a weekly purchase, it's a one-time purchase for a while, but I want to make the zoodles with the zucchini noodles and regular noodles and mix in more vegetables. And instead of like a thick sauce, I want to make a lemon butter sauce with some of this Parmesan cheese and probably some chicken. So if I end up making that, I'll record it for you guys. As far as meat, I brought ground beef. I brought a big thing of chicken, which was $7.73, I think $1.49 a pound. And then I brought this package of meat because I want to make oven fajitas. I tried it with the chicken. They turned out great. So I want to try it with beef now to see how that turns out. And what else did I get? Oh, I also got these potatoes, and it's a 10-pound bag of potatoes, and I think this was $2.89. Let's see. Yes, it was $2.89. Was it $2.89? Let's see. Yes, $2.89. Down there was the last thing scanned. And here's my entire receipt. So the total was $86.11. And when I used to shop at H-E-B for approximately the same amount of groceries, I used to spend up to $140. So I love Aldi. I know that all of them carry different items. For example, the one by my mom's house has a lot of Mexican products. The one in Minnesota had a lot of Mexican products, and it also had stuff that I've never seen in this Aldi here. So definitely give it a try. And if you want to see another Aldi haul or any of the recipes that I make with what I brought, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what grocery stores you shop at, where the best deals are, what prices you see at different stores. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye.